Currently, I'm just arrived at Niuewdtsville Waterfall. It took me 50 jar to pay for the entry fees for each one of the person, and me and my friend, we paid 100 rands. So now I'm walking here. So inside this, I don't know, this is a nature reserve or what, I have no idea. But I need to walk a little bit to reach to the waterfall area. So once I reach there, then I'm going to show you how the waterfall looks like. It's very beautiful in pictures I've seen. Looks like different. It's depth. The waterfall is that side, or what is this place? Oh, you can see this waterfall. It's very nice. Wow, you can look at this. Look at the beauty of this waterfall. Niuewdtsville Waterfall. Wow, this is first time in my stay in South Africa I saw such a beautiful waterfall, such a big one. It's look gorgeous. Wow. Really looks beautiful, right? I'm just going a little bit ahead to see if I can get some good shots. It's completely, this is the, safety boundary is given a small one, and from here it's completely depth. So you need to be a bit careful, but not very much. You need to stay behind this, safety wall. पूरा डेफ्टी होगा ना पूरा, पानी गिर गिर के एकदम गड्ढा होगा ना। इसका मतलब ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन यहाँ पे फुल फ्लेज में पानी आता है, जैसे अग्राविस फॉल जैसे हालत होगा, देन इट कुड हैव बीन ए ब्यूटीफुल शॉट। एब्सोल्युटली नहीं, एक्चुअली इसका बेस्ट टाइम शायद कब, जनवरी फरवरी, जो नॉर्दर्न
वो देखा थोड़ा सा रेनबो की तरह कलरिंग है। Are you getting that?
I'm going a little bit nearby the waterfall to take some close shots before I close this vlog. It's really beautiful from here. It really looks nice, lot of sound. Really, it's a beautiful place to take a really great pictures from here. That's the best part of my today's trip. really enjoy this. This is the best part of my trip actually, and I really loved it. Probably during the rainy season it will be heavily, full of this fresh water. Like, I don't know whether you have seen Agrabi's Fall waterfall. It is quite bigger than this, and that video also you can check. I put it into my tags, or you can check my playlist of Agrabi's Fall. So there the waterfall is similar, but it is quite bigger than this. We cannot go so near in Agrabi's Fall, but the good thing is about this waterfall is I can go very near to this. Obviously the big fall is as far as I shown you, but this is a beautiful picture. You can take nice photos, and you can enjoy and keep calm and quiet, enjoy the shooting sound of this waterfall, and that's the beauty of this place. So let me spend some good time here before I start my return journey to Cape Town. So this is how the waterfall starts from here, then it goes all the way, then that's where the big fall is happening. I don't know how this guy has went that side. There might be a way to go, he might have crossed this place, but that's where the bigger fall is there, which I've shown you already. And this fall is also quite nice. Oh my goodness, my friend is on the top. Anyway, so that's how we are enjoying here. So I let me sit down for some more time and enjoy the shooting sound of this waterfall. And this is really an amazing place where you can come and sit and enjoy the beautiful shooting sound of waterfall and take some beautiful photos as a memory for yourself. Okay, so let me enjoy the waterfall sometime. Then I'll wind up this video. I'll plan my return back to Cape Town. You have enjoyed this video. I'm going to close this vlog, and for my future videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it as much as possible. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Top down, hear the sound of the breeze carrying us away. Dust in the rear view, free as a bird. This is our time, no matter what they say. Every mile behind only brought us here. Now the road is clear. Shotgun ride on my Friday night. Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past and deal with it another day. All we got is this open road. No plans, just a cranked up radio. Ain't promising forever, ain't no end in sight. Girl, I'm loving the ride. Feel this is real, you and me, nothing